Hi everyone, we're going to first show you how to put on sterile gloves. You'll get a packet of sterile gloves in the dressing kit, but for this video I'm going to do a separate sterile glove unpacking. So you first want to take the gloves out. They will be in a folded envelope, if you would, and you want to first open it up like a book. You will see on the sides that it opens up like a storybook, and you'll want to open them up following the directions on the sterile glove packaging. Spread out the piece of paper nice so you won't have anything hitting you while you're putting on the sterile gloves. You want to do your dominant hand first. So for instance, I am left-handed, so I'll be trying to put on the sterile glove on my left hand first. So what you want to do is take your non-dominant hand, pick up the bottom where the cuff is of the glove you want to put on. You want to take your hand that you're putting the glove on and hold it like palm face up. We learned that that's probably the easiest way to get the sterile glove on. You want to pick up the glove at the bottom where the cuff link is. You see that indentation? You want to pick it up right there. You want to ease your hand through the glove and pull it just like this. And then you want to take the bottom and pull up. Now this hand is sterile, so you are allowed to touch this glove now with the other glove. So what you can do, you can either pick it up by the fingers, or you can again try to use your non-gloved hand by picking it up, picking the other glove up where the cuff link is again, picking it up right here. So you could use the gloved hand by touching the finger parts and easing it back into your glove spot. Now, this is a good example that I don't have all my fingers in, as you can see, but don't worry. You could take your sterile glove hand now and help put the glove on from your non-hand. And there you go. You're ready for the dressing change.